What is going on, everybody? Long time no see. It's been at least a week since I have posted a video, so I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's staying healthy. I am back today with another ride and review. This time it's on something a little different. Bang! We're gonna be taking this Camel for a spin this evening. Just kidding, everybody. Although it is quite amazing to see camels in Western New York. All right, so jokes aside, what I'm really reviewing today is something strange. Not as strange as these camels, but this is the Polaris Slingshot, and this is the actual vehicle we're going to be test riding today. Now, this three-wheeled auto cycle has two wheels in the front, one in the back. It's belt drive. I think it only weighs about 1,700 pounds. It's got a 2.4 liter Ecotech motor in it. I believe it's a VVT. 5-speed manual. Puts out about 170 horsepower and about the same amount of torque. So this thing should be awfully quick. Looks great. It looks magnificent. It's got two bucket seats. Gas cap in the back. It's got sound system in it. It's basically like a super low sports car. This wasn't the easiest vehicle to get into. These bucket seats are super low. I feel like I'm 4 inches off of the ground right now. The seats they're pretty comfortable. It's definitely an interesting material. I know the entire inside of this is waterproof, which I guess it would have to be. So to turn it on, you turn the key to on, you push in the clutch, and then you hit this red button right here. Ooh. It's got a little growl to it. Because you're so low to the ground and the vehicle is so light and the wheelbase is so short, it's very easily controllable. You feel like you're one with the vehicle. So it has a little windshield on it, but it's not quite tossing all the air above my head. You know, on a hot summer day like this, you kind of want a little breeze through your hair, but so this windshield's kind of nice. Very smooth. Already I can tell that the handling on this thing has to be superb, so we're gonna go test that. Oh yeah, here we go. This is Warren Path. I've taken a few rides on this route. It's very twisty. Oh. Nice. Yo, this thing hugs corners so well, it almost wants to chuck you out of the driver's seat. Although these bucket seats really hold you in. Really hold you in. So you don't feel like you're being thrown around. You're hugged right to the back seat. The back of the seat, rather. Downshifting is pretty smooth. Obviously, it's a freaking car, so as smooth as you can shift is as smooth as it will feel. Dang. Alright, I'll tell you right now, this thing almost feels more confident in the corners than like a cruiser motorcycle. Honestly, like this handles very snappy. This is honestly like a this handles like a sports car, it really does. This doesn't have crazy pull in the top end, but the torque, it's just got so much torque. Really pulls you along. Like honestly, this is so fun. The problem with motorcycles is that not everyone's going to be into them. This has bucket seats on it. I mean, you could honestly take your grandma for a ride in this thing if she could get in. And I feel like I enjoy motorcycles more, but I feel like this is easier to enjoy, and would be enjoyable to more people. Let's see how well this thing does on some twists. Oh yeah. This is exactly how this wants to be driven. I keep wanting to say ridden, but I'm really not riding this, I'm driving it. Wow, okay. How fun. How fun. This is like Mario Kart. Wow. It's unbelievable how pleasant this thing is. Even when you're whipping through the forest, hitting some crazy bends. Holy moly. Oh, yeah. Buy one? Can I buy this right now? Oh yeah! Dude, this thing makes you feel like $1,000,000. You know what? I thought it was silly when people called this thing the Batmobile earlier, but no, this is the fucking Batmobile. This is the fucking Batmobile. Oh my god. Honestly, like if I had one of these things, I would spend entire summers just picking up my friends and just whipping them around. Western New York is the best place for a vehicle like this, honestly. Don't get me wrong, I love my Triumph Speed Twin, but wow, I would really like to see something like this in my own garage. This is effortlessly fun. And you know what? Anybody that can drive a stick shift can drive this vehicle. It's definitely got a very raspy exhaust note. I'm not quite sure if I like it or not, but it's very raspy. I'm not sure if you can get aftermarket exhausts that change the sound or not, but this definitely sounds more like a recreational vehicle than it does a exotic sports car, for sure. It's actually kind of neat. In top gear, around 2,000 RPMs, it sounds like a diesel. This almost sounds like a diesel. This thing hugs corners so well without any wheel chirp at all. Like there was no chirping from the rear wheel. You can just haul ass around corners. This is one hell of a ride. Whether you're driving it in the city and getting a ton of attention from people, or you're out in the country taking it on some barren, twisty roads, this Polaris Slingshot I give it a 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs up. I want one. I honestly didn't think I would like this, but I really do like this. It's an experience. You know, once you've ridden a motorcycle, it's not so much of an experience anymore. This is something unique. And I'll tell you what, I see way more motorcycles than trikes on the road. So if you get one of these, you will not be disappointed. My only fallout with this vehicle is the price. This is way out of my price range. I think they're, you know, like north of 18 grand. I think they're like maybe 20, 23 grand. I know this year they have like some sort of grand touring model. They got like 3 different models now. So I think it gets even more expensive than 23 grand, but let me tell you, it's worth every penny. I'd love to have one of these in my garage, and I'm very blessed to have the opportunity to borrow this. So if you're watching this, I appreciate you for letting me borrow this. I'd love to pull over to end this video, but I'm gonna keep cruising. So I hope you enjoyed that little rip through the forest on this Polaris Slingshot. This is an amazing vehicle. I give it a 10 out of 10, and honestly, I'm super jealous of the owner for having something like this. So please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more good stuff. Hopefully I get to take even better vehicles out for a ride. So please subscribe. Love you guys. Take care. Peace.